interesting looking earbuds from a company called Soundpeats. I had to check these things out. Check it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk. All right, here they are, guys. Soundpeats is a company I'd never heard of before, but these things look pretty cool. They're called the Air4 Lite earbuds. Listen, I get it. I see a ton of earbuds. I know you do too. These ones looked interesting, mostly because of the design, but also the promise of sound quality and the new Bluetooth spec 5.3 built in. Let's get over to the table and get these things unboxed. Brand new, factory sealed, the Soundpeats Air4 Lite. Take a look, this is the box. This is what we got going on here. Shows you kind of that cool look with the gold trim on the Soundpeats. High-res audio, wireless of course, because they're Bluetooth earbuds. Hear your imagination. That's their slogan, I suppose. On the other side, we've got a 13mm dynamic driver, 30 hours of playtime, a 3-mic for noise cancellation. Pretty simple stuff. And then on the back, here we go, Air4 Lite wireless earbuds. It says Bluetooth version, you can see that, 5.3. Talks about the frequency range, maximum working distance, it says is 10 meters, so 30 feet. Playtime is about 7 hours. It says up to 30 hours with the charging case. So 7 hours if you don't have the charging case with you. Talks about the battery capacity, 35 milliamps in the earbuds, 350 milliamps in the charging case itself. And that's kind of it. The rest of it is just sort of the usual legalese and company information, and there we go. So let's cut the plastic off and get these new earbuds from Soundpeats open up. All right, let's get these guys open. We give them the standard shake to try to get the bottom out, and it's coming up here. You know, earbuds are interesting because they're just a dime a dozen these days, right? So everyone's trying to do something to stand apart, look a little bit different. And here you go. This is the Soundpeats. You can see clearly some sort of documentation in here. There's like a little tab in there. That's kind of interesting. I've never seen that inside the cover. So we'll pull that out. It's like a little surprise. Unfortunately, the only thing in here is not all that exciting. It's just an instruction manual. Yep. User guide, nothing too exciting there. You've got what looks like a little quick setup guide here. Just talking about the app, the Soundpeats app on your phone. That's that. We'll move that aside, and here is the actual box of the product itself. And you can see the charging case in here. It's wrapped up in plastic. I think that's it. So I don't see much else going on. Ooh, see? Good thing I pulled that up. I always do this. If you're not me, do this. Always pull the plastic up, because you never know what's underneath. And in this case, we've got a couple of things that are underneath. Our USB cable. What would we do without that? I have no other USB-C cables. I wouldn't know what to do. No, but it's good to know that it's there. And then what's in here? Nothing. Weird, I don't know what that little icon is, but there's actually nothing in there. Okay, nonetheless, let's move on. So that was that. We basically had the charging cable in there. Let's check out the earbuds themselves. Pull off the plastic. Very shiny case. Ooh, we're gonna focus. Very shiny case. That's pretty slick, isn't it? You know, it's kind of Apple-esque, except Apple does it in white, but it's very, very, very shiny. It's got that gold trim, which I think is kind of cool. I like the gold trim, the gold accent colors. You can see it says Soundpeats right there. And we'll pull these guys out. And they are in that Apple style where you've got the stem and then you've got the earbud, although it's a different shape than an Apple AirPod. But let's kind of get a better look at this. So there's that gold trim on the outside. That's pretty cool. Definitely an interesting shape. I mean, that goes into your ear, obviously. And then we've got the stem again with a little bit of an accent on the end there. Looks pretty cool. And these are identical, as you would imagine. The Soundpeats Air4 Lite, excuse me. And this is the charging case itself. You know, pretty typical stuff here. You've got the holes there where the stems go in. You've got left and right. On the back, looks like oh, that's the front. On the back, you've got this button. I imagine that's for syncing and pairing, etc. when you've got the earbuds back inside the case. So let's pop those back in here so you can see what that looks like. There you go. They do seem to have some sort of magnetic click where they it kind of sucks them in. Take a look. See that? Kind of pulls them inside, which is nice because it helps keep them inside the case. and then they charge up inside the case there, and there's actually a little light. I don't know if you can see that little green light there. Shows you that maybe they're fully charged. I haven't figured out exactly what the lights mean, but it's kind of cool. Nice little case and nice little set of earbuds from Soundpeats. Again, this is the Air4 Lite earbuds from Soundpeats. We're gonna get them set up and test them out. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. More tech videos coming, more unboxings, product testing, just a lot of cool stuff. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.